I'm called Brenda Natamba. I'm the company architect, Pokor Associates Uganda Limited. Yeah, I hold a national diploma in architecture from Uganda Technical College Bushenyi. I graduated in 2015, and the journey has been so good. After my last internship with architect Edgar Muhaire, he's an architect director for Prim Features Uganda Limited. I was lucky because after my 2 months, I was able to be maintained in the company because since he had worked with me for the past 2 months, I think he saw I was really capable to work with him. In my job, since I am the company architect, I draw plans. And then since Pokor Associates Uganda Limited we are contractors, after I have designed plans together with my directors, we usually go ahead and put them on ground. And it has a bit been easy for me because of the skills that I acquired from college. Yeah, because I remember in our last year real life project, we designed a 3-bedroomed house together with the help of our lecturer, Mr. Chimuli. And after that, we went ahead and went to site, to Nkongoro site at UTC Bushenyi. Were able to set the house. Then we excavated the ground and put it on ground. So that experience at college has actually helped me in my job, because the skills I obtained at college are really helping me. I've not faced so many challenges because of what we went through with my classmates at UTC, and I've been able to achieve that because of Ubteb. I hold a national diploma in architecture, and after that I was lucky. I was able to continue with my education. I also hold a bachelor's degree in civil engineering from Mundeja University. But surprisingly, I am surviving because of the diploma I got from UTC. Yeah, I did civil, yes. It helps me also to be able to interpret what I draw. It's actually helped me to understand more of what I do. But I am surviving because of the course I did with Ubteb at college. So I'd encourage parents to take their students for technical education, and we should stop this mentality. Those days, people used to think that people that join college are the ones that have failed. But to me, it is not true, because if you've not done sciences, then there is no way how you will join Uganda Technical College Bushenyi for that science course. So it's actually for people that have brains, people that have been serious, and people that have been blessed academically, especially through science education. I feel like technical education is more efficient because you study the things that you do at site. I was so happy during my trainings, seeing my lecturers come to where I was, my places of training, and they would find us really doing the work. And we had a very good trainer. I thank architect Edgar Muhaire because he was able to take us through. Yeah, he would really help. He would help us to design, he would tell us how things are. So I would really advise parents to go for technical education. And one best advantage that I like about architecture is that it's a course that sells on its own. You make one good plan, and that plan alone will be good enough to sell you. When someone gets in touch or gets an opportunity to look at it, they'll always ask if the design is more efficient and nice and well designed. They'll always ask for the person that designed it. So that has helped me a lot, because people look at what I've done and they contact me, and that has helped me to survive. My personal achievements have been I've benefited from what I studied. Yeah, I have a sister. She's called Nisima Barbara. Yeah, she worked and she was able to get some money. So she approached me and asked me to help her draw a plan. I went ahead, designed the drawing for her, and after that, we went ahead and put it on ground. So every time I go home in Bukerere and I see that house, I really feel nice. Yeah, being the one that designed it, and then it's now on ground and we are using it, it makes me feel proud of my course. Yeah, I really love architecture because it is a course whereby you study and then you actually do what you studied. Yeah, I'm not saying other courses are bad, but I really enjoy doing it because me sitting on my desk, I begin with sketches, then get my laptop, draw my plans, then after some time with us going on ground, we set the building and build it. It makes me proud of my course and I really enjoy it. I've been able to feed my family, I've been able to take care of my parents, I've been able to take care of myself. So I'm really enjoying, and I thank God because of the technical education. So I would encourage parents to advise their students to do vocational studies because it is really so nice. It's hands-on, and I thank God because of the course, because ever since I graduated, that's the only thing I have done. I love architecture, I do it on a daily basis, and I feel good when I see the projects I worked on being implemented on ground. It makes me feel so nice and proud of myself.